Okay, back at it again with another Roblox video. Oh my days! We're gonna play a train. We're gonna play the train game. Oh my days, I'm walking backwards. That's funny. That's funny. Anyways. Oh, I'm in the game. Okay, we gotta explore, we gotta collect, and we gotta escape. Man, I don't need to read the rules. Okay, I think this is light, and then oh, that's whistling. Okay. I'm not scared. I'm just not scared. All right, compass. We gotta go. Okay, that's house. What's over there? I like how nice this game looks. This game looks a little scary. What is that? Okay. This game isn't even scary. Like, trains aren't scary. I don't hear anything. I hear nothing. I have nothing. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is that? Oh, wait. Oh, we need a fuser. Yeah, I don't have one. Alright, I guess we gotta look for one. Whoa. What is it? What is that sound? I think I hear something. Hey, wait. Turn this on. I definitely hear something. Or am I tripping? I think I'm tripping. Oh, okay, wait. Something over here. Service room. Can I go in here? No. Okay, whatever. This game isn't scary. There's... Whoa. That wasn't scary. I didn't get scared. LOL. Did I just do a circle? Whoops. Oh, wait. Interact. I need this. Thank you. Whoa. What? Where? Oh! Whoa. Oh! What? There's another one here. Oh my! Oh, I almost died again. Okay, that was not good. Where are we? What is that? Okay. Oh, it's coming. Whoa! Okay. It spawned again. It spawned again. We gotta be careful. Where? Right there? Where? Whoa! Oh my god. Okay, that scared me. What? No. Where? Oh. Wait, it's kind of hard though. Okay. Oh, right there. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh. The trains. There's trains. Oh, we. Okay. We're fine. We're Gucci. Where? No, we're Gucci. Ah! Okay. Oh, I was just here. How do we get that? Ooh! Whoa. Why that light flicker? What now? Whoa! Okay. Oh, okay, right here. Oh, right there. Yep, okay, I know, there's trains. Come over there. Oh, it is! Oh, my God. Whoa! That's a train. I'm not scared. Oh, no, that was kind of scary though. Wait. We go back. I saw a little gap. Oh, it's blocked. got hit again. That was weird. Oh, another gap, another gap, another gap, another gap. What? It's empty. Oh. Whoa. It almost hit me again. Almost hit me again. That was weird. That was, oh, behind me, behind me, behind me. Oh my gosh, that was more faster. Oh. Okay, okay. Make it. We can make it. We can make it. We can make it. Oh, another gap. Oh my gosh. The trains are so loud. Oh, wait, come over there. Okay. We're fine. We're fine. It's not. We're fine. We only died once. Oh wait, we might die here. Oh no. Okay. Impossible isn't that hard. Cause I'm just goated. Okay, wait. Okay. Trains are kind of scary though. Like I don't know where the train's gonna come. It's scary. Okay, behind me. Whoa! Oh. I thought it was gonna hit me. That scared me like a little bit. Oh, it's coming over here. I see. Oh! It's a weird looking train. Okay. Okay. We're good. We should head back over there. We should. Oh, okay. Yeah. We head this way. Nah, the trains don't scare me no more. Ha! Trains? Who's scared of trains? Not me. Where? Oh, okay. That one sounded like someone screaming. LOL. Nope, not scared, buddy. Not scared. Oh, I could have got hit right there. Alright, we're going back in here. We're gonna place the fuse. Wait, we need one more. Please. Just one more. Wow! Why is it screaming? Okay, we just need one more. One more, please. Oh, okay. Nuh-uh, you're not gonna hit me, buddy. Alright, we did it. Let's go. Now we can go back. We can go back, right? Wait for it to pass. There we go. Now we go back. We go back. Oh no. Oh! Here we go. Who's in here? And yep, we go in. And we're out of here. Let's go. What a W. Finally, my first W in the game. Ha! Easy, light work.